How to share folders on OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to share folders on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to share folders on OneDrive, simply navigate through it and simply find the folder that you want to share. Then tap onto three dot lines right here, just like this. Then tap on to share right here, tap on it. Then here you can find copy link option, tap on it. You can share the folder by copying the link. You can also share the folder by the given options right here. Now you can also invite people and simply send it by email and set individual permissions. And that's it. This is how you can share folders on OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.